Meet the device unlike any other, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Folded, it's a phone. Unfolded, it's a tablet. With a portable design and flexible viewing options, you'll enjoy an expansive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with ultra-thin glass that folds into a 6.2-inch HD Plus display. Enjoy entertainment from virtually any angle with flexible viewing options. Frame up your shot with the seamless hideaway hinge and control your camera on one screen while you view your image on the other. Experience greater productivity with 3 apps on one screen. With Multi-Active Window, you have the power to navigate, drag and drop, and work across 3 apps on the expansive main display. Its intelligent 4500 mAh battery learns to anticipate your needs. And with wireless power share and super fast charging features, you'll have the power you need to get through the day. Plus, with the latest in 5G network technology, you'll get next-level power for the things you love. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, a revolutionary mobile experience.